As you can see, we have a problem in our ACB. Generator number 3, ACB. We have a problem, ACB cannot close. Okay, I remove the cover so that we can see the mechanism during engaging the ACB. As you can see, our ACB have a problem, cannot close the contact, and then after that it's still on and off, charge, discharge, close, but cannot engage the closing of this ACB. Please watch the video and I will show you how to check and rectify. Simple and easy troubleshooting for this ACB. Okay, first step, get the manual. Check the OCR and then the UVT. That is common for the common supply, UVT and OCR. I will check the OCR. Must have a 220 volts supply. Okay, good. And then next is the UVT controller. Normally the UVT controller must activate before you can engage the ACB. Okay, we need to check the 19 and 20 for the power supply of power source of the OCR. Means 227. Means if you can get to 27, you must have a supply also on your UVT. You need to check. Okay, on your UVT module 227, it means 1920 and 9 and 10 same contacts must have a voltage, same voltage. And then we already checked the UVT, there is a power source. It means the UVT must activate. Okay, 227 AC input means good, but the solenoid is tripping the ACB. Okay, we need to check, and as you can see, the UVT coil below is not activating even though there is a input supply. The UVT must be disengaged on that trip for our ACB. But we need we have a new UVT module, but first we need to check manually using input, AC input 220, connect, and then this solenoid must be disengaged on the trip, and then when disengaging the trip of the ACB, that coil must be activated. Okay, 220 source. As you can see, the lever is going up. It means that coil is activated, and disengage the trip on the ACB. That is the main problem, that coil. But we have a set of UVT. We need to replace the. Okay, we need to draw out the ACB. Okay, same specs, then 220. By the way, this ACB Hot 16 is obsolete, but in our box we have a spare UVT. in my previous ship, this Hot 16 is defective, but if you order a spare parts, that is obsolete. They need to retrofit or change the new whole ACB. But for now, UVT, we change only the UVT trip device. Okay, draw out the ACB and remove that module, that device, and then put it back. The UVT must be activated so that it won't trip the ACB. Earlier, the solenoid is tripping that lever. That is cause for the tripping of ACB and non-closing of ACB. Okay. This is a hack. You need a tape on your bolt so that it won't fall on the mechanism on the ACB. Okay, as you can see, easy peasy. Okay, then next at the top, securing the screws. For now, we need to change the new UVT. But if you troubleshoot ACBs like this, first you check the UVT if it is working. This UVT is only the one who trips the ACB. This is common problem. UVT is the main problem. Okay, installed and secure the connections. Example, if you remove this UVT device and then you can check the manually charging and then on and off engage, you must it must be engaged if this UVT is removed. Okay, but for now we already put the UVT device and the position is trip. It's because the spindle of UVT coil is pushing the trip lever. If there is a 220 supply for that UVT, means this UVT is good and ready to service. Okay, put it back, then that's it. Secure the bolts before racking in, totally racking in. Okay, it's good, it's tight, and then remove the lever and then tight also the two Allen bolts, and that's it. We ready to test this ACB. Okay, that's it. Then we need to test. Put it to auto and then start the generator.
At least nag-close na siya kasi tumaas na to.
Okay, the UVT is activate and the spindle is pushing up. It means that coil is Good, and activated the under voltage strip. If activated, means release the trip device. Okay, but the next video, we need to find a solution of that ACB abnormal noise on that charging. Okay, please watch the part 2 of this one for servicing this ACB. We need to overhaul this ACB to rectify that abnormal sound.
If you learned from this video, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell for more updates. Also follow us on Facebook Barco TV. Thanks for watching.